So our next problem is called never wait for weights, and we're given an integer n, which is at most 100,000, which is the number of variables involved in the problem. We do not know the absolute values of these variables. And we are also given a certain number of either updates or queries, a certain number m of them, which is also at most 100,000. And these updates or queries are of the following form. We're given a pair of variables and a value, in the case of an update, informing us that the difference between that pair of variables, the difference between the first and second, for example, pair of variables, first and second variables, is a certain number, a certain integer number. That would be an update, and a query would be, what is the difference between a certain pair of variables? So let's make an example. Suppose we're first given, suppose we have three variables, x1, x2, and x3. So n equals 3. And we're first informed the difference between x1 and x2 is 4. Now we may be asked, what is the difference between x1 and x2? And we have to answer 4. If you are asked, what is the difference between x1 and x3? The answer would be, we don't know, because there's not enough information to answer that. Now suppose we're given also this following piece of information, x2 minus x3 equals 5. And now we are asked, what is the difference between x1 and x3? And we may answer 9, because these two updates we were given already give us enough information to answer that. And we are also assured that all the information that's given is consistent, and we do not have to check that. So that's the problem, never wait for weights.